Hi everyone, your AMT car doesn't feel as smooth as before? Or if you think the mileage has dropped, this video might help you. This clears the learned data so the engine and the AMT system can relearn your driving condition and perform better. And the best part is you can do this easily at your home with a single tool. Let's get started. So the only tool you need is a number 10 spanner. After the ECU reset, try not to drive aggressively. Smooth driving can help you get better mileage and better performance. At least for the 10 to 15 kilometers, drive your car normally so the AMT system can relearn your driving style. I hope this video was helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching.